welcome friends. How to use the synchronous and order in the SolidEdge software. Now first of all we start here. You can see this one is a synchronous mode. Here you can see the synchronous part. Now first of all we draw the some part. Select this rectangle, square and draw here. Now press the Ctrl I and now extrude this one in downward. Now change the here value 200. Now this one is our synchronous. Parts and now enter the now views. Now this one is a very easy and you can see here press and drag. Now this one is a symmetric, this one is a non-symmetric. Now press here, put here and turn the degrees. Now select this one, now place here and rotate this one, give the angle 45 degrees. Now this is our synchronous method. Now how to use the order and how to change the order method in SolidEdge software. Now you can see here the different tools are available. Now here select the tool and now here you can see the synchronous, order, simplify and flatten. Now here synchronous, selected the synchronous only. Now this one is the order. If you can select the order, then you enter in order part and now here the place here, draw here. Now here separate command you can use, close. Now after then extrude, so only extrude. If you not extrude, then use extrude cut by selecting single only commands. Sketch, OK, remove, finish this. Now here different options are also available: delete face, move face, resize. Now this is our single separating and more time taken for this ordering method, while in synchronous method the less time taken. Now this is a simplify for this tooling. Now fourth one is a flatten. This is used for only sheet metal purpose. You cannot use for the solid purpose. Now you can, this one is a simplify. Now what is the difference in synchronous? You can select the extrude, draw here circle directly and now both selected, right click and now add or subtract in only one task. You can see the add and cut. You can see the cut, then cut. If you select the add, then add the material So this is a time consuming process in Synchronous in SolidEdge software. Now this is the most useful and for the modeling purpose, which is the less time taken for the modeling. Now same, see the different plane is selected and locked, and now draw in this plane. Now unlock this plane, select the circle, now lock this plane, unlock this one. Now in different phase, in different plane, you can directly draw by using the synchronous part modeling method. And now in the order, you can draw the different select sketch, select this face. Now our sketching command will be open. Now draw here sketch. Now close the sketch, and now after then you select the modeling, solid modeling option, which one is extrude cut is. Now if you select only extrude cut, okay, extrude cut, in this no solid extrude is used, okay, only extrude is happen. Finish this one. Now this is a vast difference between the synchronous and order modeling method in the SolidEdge software. Now thank you for watching these videos. If you like these videos, then please subscribe my channel SolidEdge tutorials.